So this is the entrance. Ooh, it's hot outside. It's really nice, sort of like a chandelier type of thing. And you actually, these are usually closed, but that's basically the walk-in closet type of thing. And then you have a little desk type of thing in here. Store some things in there. But light switches, temperature control. So let's start with the bathroom. So on the right, actually if I go back to the center, the entrance, straight ahead, you have the walk-in closet. On the left side is the living area. Then on the right side is the bathroom. So let's do a quick bathroom tour. It's actually quite large. So there's a double door entrance, like a French door entrance. And then straight ahead, you have this giant tub, which is really nice. It's actually like very large, very comfortable for 2 people. You have an ottoman in the middle to get ready. Full length or full width mirror, double vanity. And obviously it's all like black marble or granite. And then they give you Asprey of London toiletries, which is really nice. This little bench to sit, I guess, do your makeup and stuff like that. Really nice. Iron stand. And then the lavatory, the bathroom, or the toilet, depending on which part of the world you're from. So you've got a bidet, and then just a regular toilet. And of course, you have a Muslim shower, your dirty butts. That's really nice. And they have really nice artwork throughout. You get we've been staying here for a while, but for a couple of days, but you get your bathrobes. And then if you go into the shower, so here's the shower. Again, you've got like a marble bench over here to sit down. You've got this, and then you've got the rain shower, which is very nice. And then you actually got a window looking out. So this is actually the front, facing the front. So when you enter, there's the walls of the villa are basically here, but this is sealed off to the guests. Actually, the door is right over here. Oh, walking into things. This is locked, can't go out, but this is basically, the front. There's some plants out there. All right, so next, let's go into the walk-in closet. So this is quite large. You've got a safe over here, a lot of shelf space, and this is actually a door, I believe, to the next villa. Again, a lot of shelf space. These doors are sliding, and you have a full-length mirror. All right. So, yep, great place to get ready, or a lot of storage for all your stuff. And then this is the living area. Again, you've got the double doors. So one thing I like to note is it's actually quite dark in the villa. Just in general, not like right now, all the lights are on, so they've got like this spotlighting type of thing, but it is quite dark overall. Not a lot of light coming in, which is sort of nice, but I wouldn't have minded extra light. Ooh, let me turn this one on too. Okay, so anyways, back to the video. All right, so here is the bed. So it's a king size bed, very nice, very comfortable. Tons of pillows, and obviously you can request more. But the headboard is really nice because it's basically floor to ceiling. You've got the chandelier, and then that is the top, which is just it's very beautiful to look at. And obviously through the headboard you can look straight into the bathroom back there. But you've got a little sit-down desk, like a mini desk type of area over there. And then you've got these 2 couches over here. And, they bring you fruits. These water bottles, I think you have to pay for. but they are pretty generous with with just a standard, the Ritz Carlton water bottles, which is nice. They leave, 6 or 7, 8 per day. Standard coffee machine. You've got your fridge. It's very dark in here. Right. And kettle. All these things are for purchase, obviously. And these are the coffee pods. And this looks really nice. Probably wouldn't buy these. Probably very, very expensive for no reason. Anyways, all right, so now we're gonna go into the third section, which is also got these, huge doors to go through. We basically kept all the doors open so that our stay, as well as the curtains. Just it's a nice view, when you like wake up and you look up, you just see like the pool, and you can see the desert outside. It's very pretty. Anyways, so then this is the living room type of thing. So you've got a nice love seat, tables, very pretty artwork. It's sort of got like this recessed ceiling thing. Again, you got the lamp or chandelier. You've got a writing desk, the chair. Although honestly, this chair is like really heavy, so it's sort of a pain in the butt to move around. And then the TV cabinet, and it is a smart TV, so you can like use like YouTube Premium or Netflix, that kind of stuff. We really didn't watch much TV while we were here, but anyway, so that's that. So this is a nice sitting area. Then again, you have double doors leading outside, and of course these windows are tinted. You can see. All right. So this is the pool. So each villa has their own pool. That's the view. You'll see like the animals sort of like come up pretty close. A lot of times you'll have birds coming and drinking the water. So right now there's a lot of like tree sap and stuff like that, like leaves that have fallen off. But room service is like really good over here. They come several times a day actually. And they'll sort of like keep track of when you're in the room and when you're not. And they'll just come as soon as you leave, so that, an hour later after, let's say, lunch, you come back, the room's gonna be clean. But then also, it's sort of, the pool itself pushes some of that water out, so it's always cleaning itself. Anyways, you have this big sort of chase lounge type of thing. Is it chase? I don't know. Lounge type of thing. This is very comfortable. Spend a lot of time here. We've also got, if you want to eat outside or just hang out, lounge by the pool area. It's really nice. So this area basically stays shaded throughout the day. The pool, as the sun goes down, it starts to get shadier. But let me show you guys. So that's the view. There's no animals out here right now, but throughout the stay we did see several. A lot of oryxes. There's like 2 different varieties. Sometimes you even see like camels walking around. That didn't happen to us, but as soon as we drove around the resort, you do see just camels lounging around, which is sort of neat. They're a lot bigger than you may think. But yeah, a lot of birds. You're basically hearing this chirping all day. It's very pretty. All right, so let's go back inside. Yes, that's basically it. Overall, it's a really nice resort. They've got a bunch of activities to do around. I definitely would recommend it. I don't know if I'd be back over and over again, but and that's just for personal reasons, because I think there's so many other places to visit. But I think for a desert experience, especially with a family, I think this is a really nice area to come, or just sort of relax, unwind. Yeah, great hotel. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video.